Medyo, ayan, parang one by one, ano lang, frame. Ayan. Hangal. Hi mga hangal. Um, tatry kong gumawa ulit ng reaction video. So my first reaction video, reacting to reaction video, is from Purple Twins. They reacted to Janine Berdin's song that has gone viral to TikTok. And I'm going to try to reacting to other reaction videos of other foreigners. Ang daming reaction video nila Waleska. Puro mga content nila ay Filipino content. Reacting to Filipino content. At 100,000, grabe yung 100,000 views each and every one of them. Weeks ago, meron lang isa na less than 1,000, 100,000, 95,000. Wala bang ibang ano? Wala bang ibang reaction? Mga hangal, ang sinearch ko sa video ay Reaction Video Philippines. At puro Waleska Herrera ang nag-pop up sa search views. Walang music to. Can't believe these are Filipino songs. English songs kay Waleska ulit. My God! Puro Waleska. Nakakaloka. Filipino core? May mga nagre-react sa Filipino core. Hindi naman nila maintindihan yun. Pero, 100,000 ang views. So, talagang itong mga foreigner, kahit hindi nila naintindihan yung context, since maraming nag-view, marami pa rin silang gumagawa. Ito, Purple Twins na naman. 10 months ago. Ayoko. Ibang reactor naman, ano ba yan? OPM, ayan. Ay, music. Kakaloka. By the way, ito yung ginagamit ko for watching videos. Puro Waleska. Ito yung vocal coach. Hindi. Araw-gabi, si Justin Burke, a vocal coach, reacts to Filipino superstar Regina Velasquez sings Araw-gabi live in 107.5 Wish Bus. Okay. 8 minutes to 227,089 views 1 year ago. Okay na ito ni Justin. Pati yung asawa niya.
Sa akin pang mina ng piano, tiklado'y pilit nilaro. Baka sakaling may
Nang-okray na naman ako.
anong tono, bigla na lang umuspo.
Nakakalimutan ko na nandun yung camera.
Tungkol sa ako.
Wait, ano sinabi niya?
Baka sakaling merong tono, bigla na lang umuspo.
Nag-react siya sa may even vibrato ni Miss Regine, which is very normal. Anong tamang term? Even and natural sounding. Take note lang na vocal coach itong lalaking to.
Ang titik sa tono. Sampuman aking diksyonaryo.
Gandang-ganda si ate.
Oh, I love it. Basta't hindi magbabago damdamin ko sa'yo. So much control.
Parang may ano rin tong si girl, no? Siguro kumakanta rin tong si girl. Naku, ito ba? Wait. Si Ateng, feeling ko yung suot niyang sombrero, yan yung may wig. Yan yung may wig. Pag tinanggal mo, baka naka-hairnet na siya.
Napapanaginip ka kahit saan magpunta.
I love the breath or side of your voice.
Ano daw? I love the ano daw? Medyo tinurn on ko yung ano, subtitle.
Naralasing sa tuwa kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa.
Papayakin na.
Such a rich,
Rich.
resonant voice.
I
Resonant.
love too is that there's no auto-tune on this. You can hear a
Alam.
couple slight imperfect.
Wala nga. Narinig ka bang auto-tune? Yun na, nag-observe lang siya.
in a good way.
Yeah,
Like obviously no vocal is going to be perfect, and if it is, then it's going to be auto-tuned.
Yeah.
A lot of live performances, you can still, if you have a tuned ear and a trained ear, you can hear where they're adjusting pitch or tightening up
Right.
vibrato here and there.
right.
And
Right.
this is not, so
Definitely.
yet it's perfect
Yeah.
in many areas.
What's interesting too is what you pointed out at the very beginning. She's got lyrics in front of her. I mean, this might have been something where she didn't have a lot of time to prepare for, but
Put on the spot.
she is doing an amazing job.
Kanta niya kasi yan. Meron lang, ano, kodigo, pero kanta pa rin niya yan.
Dapat mo lamang mabatid laman itong
Gorgeous.
Pwede pa naman yung transition.
Take it away.
Oo, ina mo nga.
Tapos kong likhain
Let's go. Let's
No.
get it. Come on.
ang tunay na
Sorry.
damdamin, tanggapin ating
Oo,
Come on. That's a Whitney effect.
Whitney daw.
I looked at the inflection in that slide.
Wait, hindi ko pa narinig. Hindi ako fan ni Whitney, pero hindi naman ginagawa ni Whitney yung that's more like Mariah, okay?
napapanaginip ka kahit saan magpunta.
And she's so articulate.
Articulate. I mean, she's right. But does she know what she's talking about? Pa-English na lang.
Nalalasing sa tuwa kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi
Sa Tagalog yung kinakanta niya, alangan hindi siya maging articulate, di ba?
I just wanted to go off. I'm waiting for it.
tayong
Keep it rolling.
Yeah, tucking the chin. Great. Come on.
girl.
Come on, girl. Come on, girl.
I heard it. I felt it.
Look, look, look.
She knows. She's got a smile. She knows. She's
Nailed it. Got it.
doing exactly what she went there to do.
I was like,
Oo, eh.
there we go.
Di naman nila naitigdahan yung kinakanta ni, ano,
What's in the what?
ni Miss Regine.
That's a standing ovation right there.
Hello, standing ovation na ba? Kaya maraming nanonood sa kanila eh. Kasi may patronize. Yung words na ginagamit nila is patronizing.
Man, those E vowels are so difficult.
She has an iconic sounding voice.
Come on, come on.
Take us
Look,
away.
look,
Yeah, man.
tumawa. Pogi. Look, di pa ganun. May in love si ate sa'yo.
Oh, she's bringing it back. She's bringing it back.
That's how
Oh,
you,
the message of voce.
that's how you do it. She's like, oh, I'm down.
We're getting up for that.
Drop the mic.
Come on.
Drop the mic. That deserves
Oh
Ano?
my
a
god.
standing ovation.
Totoo naman.
She's a classic. Singer in
Absolutely.
the Philippines.
She
One of the
has one of
OGs.
those voices that I could honestly just get lost in, like just listen to all day.
I know.
And she has the
Totoo yan.
perfect amount of nasal resonance.
Totoo.
Like there was
Yeah.
moments where
Kaya kong
she needed to
makinig
utilize
sa
a little bit more,
mga kanta ni
but
Miss
it
Regine
wasn't a
all
very
day.
nasally sound. It
What
was
do
just
you
a
think-
perfect blend.
What do you think about her vibrato?
It's different. It's not. It wasn't consistent. All
Different?
like it was a different
She was able to switch it up. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, there was some really
Oh, that's
fast
it.
vibrato, and there was some really slow vibrato, and there was vibrato where it was just shaky at the end, and so it was different. There was
She
like a
could
variety
hold
of.
out like a pure tone as well,
It was
perfectly.
just gorgeous.
That's what I was shocked by. I was shocked by the pitch accuracy because many times
Yeah.
we give like we
Project
give a lot of artists
accuracy
like
ba
some
sinabi
pass,
niya?
like
Project
a
and
pure tone as
accuracy?
well. Switch it up. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, there was some really
Oh, that's
fast
it.
vibrato, and there was some really slow vibrato, and there was vibrato where it was just shaky at the end, and so it was different. There was
She
like a
could
variety
hold
of.
out like a pure tone as well,
It was
perfectly.
just gorgeous.
That's what I was
Gorgeous.
shocked by. I was shocked by the pitch accuracy because many times
Yeah.
Pitch
we give like
accuracy pala.
we
Pitch
give a lot of
accuracy.
artists like some passes
Mm-hmm.
with some live things. Sometimes I hear things and I'm like, okay, I think that was doctored up a little bit, tuned
Yeah.
on the back end. If I don't hear any imperfection. But this was not, and for a fact, this was not. And by the
Oh, yeah.
end, once she was like warmed up
Yep.
in the pocket, oh my gosh!
Yeah.
I
Pero
know
hindi
that the
nila
end was
Pinoy
I
out
agree.
yung ibang
And I agree.
mga-
And then there was some beautiful, like,
Hindi nila pinapoint out, baka at the end of the video, pero currently hindi nila pinapoint out yung mga technically parang mga hindi or kailangan i-improve ni Miss Regine on that song.
squeaks that happened.
Puro mga
And
puro mga
those.
praise
that's when you
pa rin
know
yung
also,
mga
like, you
ginagawa
can't-
nila dito.
You can't
maganda,
make that up. Like, that definitely was on the
maganda
spot. There
talaga
was
yung
no
kanta
way
niya,
that was
pagkakakanta ni Miss
tuned.
Regine.
It was
Pero
just,
merong
it was
mga
perfect. It was,
tensions
I guess you could
yung
call it
ibang
like an
part, lalo na
imperfect
sa may
stylistic
mga kanya.
technique, but
That was
it
good.
was perfect for this song and just for the performance.
Yeah, it was intentional. I mean, if it's
It was
not intentional,
intentional.
like then the squeaks are not as good.
Exactly, exactly.
Like how I used to squeak when I first started. And I didn't
All of
mean to.
us.
But no, everything
That was
was
gorgeous.
phenomenal. Yeah, she's phenomenal.
Yeah, I mean,
want
she
more.
just gives me a
Vocal
good
coach
feeling
kasi
as well.
siya.
Like, just
So,
her presence
I
just
would
gave me
like
a really
to
good feeling
expect
throughout. Like,
some very
That's
technical
Just a legend.
Or what do you mean?
well, I think
perfectionist
just looking at her, she
view
looked very comfortable,
to this,
and she looked very confident to me.
performance.
She didn't look nervous. She didn't come across nervous. I think I don't know, her presence just exudes confidence, and I just
Veteran na
felt
to eh.
really, I don't know, connected to her.
Yeah.
There's something about her that you just connect
But
with.
super relaxed too. Like it didn't feel like
Very
she was trying. I feel like she's been
Veteran
doing
na
this
kasi
for a
si Miss
long
Regine.
time. I like it.
one
I
thing
like
dapat
it.
Oh,
nag-review
I love
nag-review
it.
or
I was
nag-research
like,
sila
oh.
about Miss Regine.
Let's listen to more of her. I absolutely love her voice. That was gorgeous.
All right, guys, leave it down in the comments. What else? We'll check it out.
Okay.
Much love.
Peace.
See you soon. I'm gonna show you how I transformed my singing voice from tone deaf to becoming a professional.
Tone deaf pa siya. Ganyan ka na ito na.
Don't start caring about me now. Here's how to start learning with me free. Go to my website, singer.tv.
Okay.
Then enter your email to create a free account.
That's
Then
it
you can
for
start learning with my
this
course
video
for free and make real progress towards
from
becoming a singer
Justin
that
Bert
people will pay to listen to. It's that easy.
with
I've had people finish my singing course on
227,000
Singer
views.
and then blow up and become
Okay
famous
naman.
for their singing voice. You can do
Very
this too. And life
patronizing
is
yung
too short to not go for
reaction
your
video
dreams.
nila.
So I will see you there.
Ay, i-like natin kasi gagamitin natin yung content nila eh. Gamitan. So, ayun. Reaction or comment ko lang dun sa reaction video nila. Magaganda tingnan yung mga facial reactions nila. Very engaging and the way they look to the camera. So, talagang sanay na sila sa ginagawa nila. Also, medyo nakakadala din yung mga reaction ni Justin. Okay? Pag ganun-ganun, pag ganun-ganun, na para bang talagang nakikinig siya. Nakikita natin nakikinig siya sa pinapanood niya. And as a vocal coach nga, ayun, okay naman yung mga niya. May mga technical terms din siya na ginagamit, especially about the tone, the voice, the pitch accuracy. Akala ko kung anong pitch accuracy. Pitch accuracy pala yung sinasabi niya kanina. And then, si girl, feeling ko singer din si girl na nakawig. Kaya medyo, alam mo yan, or siguro mahilig din siyang makinig talaga ng music, kaya maganda rin yung reaction niya, actually. And kung hindi ako nang cry, siguro magagandahan din talaga ako sa reaction video nila. Pero yun nga. I mean, magaling talaga yung pagkaka-perform ni Miss Regine doon. Pero syempre, as a vocal coach, 'di ba, na parang i-expect mo na magiging honest ka. Flawless talaga yung pero may mga parts na, kasi yun yung dapat na tinitingnan mo eh. May mga parts na may mga tensions na sadya man ni Miss Regine yung ganung technique. Pero, syempre, since yung mga nakikinig sa'yo, i-expect nila na pangangaralan mo sila ng tamang technique, gano'n. Anyway, ang dami ko sinabi. Ang dami ko sinabi, pero yun lang. That's my reaction video for that reaction video. This is my reaction video for that reaction video from Justin Bieber for Miss Regine's Araw Gabi performance on Wish Bus. Thank you mga hangal. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!